Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Mary Mag here. Please, if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share my videos. Help a young player get out there and help make the world a more beautiful and peaceful and happy place. That's my request. So before I get into today's topic, I'm just gonna say yes, these glasses have no lens in them. The lens fell out and I still thought I was cute, so I kept them on because I'm cute or whatever. So today's topic was a request from one of my bros, Drew Splash. Go follow. He a rapper or whatever. He's really good, so please support my bro. So he asked me to do body confidence for women. I mean, I guess I could only talk about women because I'm not a man. I don't know what men go through with their confidence. I would assume it's only their private area and like being brolic, but whatever. So for women, I'll start with my story and explain how I got to the confident level where I am right now. When I was really young, I've always been skinny. Like, I'm talking sticks, baby. Like, stick figures. Like, I got teased constantly for being skinny. None of my clothes fit. And then I had, like, a big butt. So it was even worse. It was like my clothes was baggy because my butt couldn't fit, like, the regular size that I would wear, because my butt was too big. So I just, like, everything used to just be off and weird. And then, like, I'll never forget when I was 9, this girl called me a pencil with a basketball at the end. And at the time, I didn't know that big booties would be popping when I was older. So I just did not want my butt. I didn't want anything. I just wanted to change my whole body. So fast forward to when I turned 19, I was still skinny. Yes, I was 92 pounds. And one day I was talking to some guy in the lunchroom at my old college, and I was like, if I had bigger boobs, I think I would feel better with myself or something. And he was like, what? Do you pull niggas right now looking like how you look? And I was like, yeah, I pull a few guys. You guys like to talk to me here and there. He's like, so what's the issue? If you could pull niggas looking how you look now, why do you want to change your body? And that it clicked in my head. I was like, yo, he right. Not saying that, females like to look good for guys, but, or girls, it's lesbians out there. But, it made me think and realize, like, what am I listening to the people that are, like, making fun of my body when I could still pull niggas? Being this little 92-pound skinny girl. So that broke me out of, like, being insecure about my body, because, I always had hopes that one day I will be thick and I'll be able to wear jeans and they actually be tight on me, and that I will have cleavage and everything. But I was like, maybe it's not for me. Maybe I was just supposed to be this little skinny person. So fast forward to last year I gained so much weight. Like, to some people it don't seem like a lot, but to the people that knew me, it was crazy. Okay, I was 146 pounds, and that's a big leap. Like, I gained 20 pounds in like 3 months, because I was just, like, at home. I was just eating cakes, and then, like, I stopped having sex and everything, so it was like no exercise going on. Like, it wasn't anything going on, so I was just fat. And I liked it a little bit because I always did want to be thicker. Like, I wanted to be 150 pounds. That's my ideal weight. But I didn't like what I was looking like. I was looking like a little butterball. Like, my face got fat. My stomach got fat. My stomach started to get fat. I was like, hell no, because I always had a flat stomach. Like, you could always see my abs, and that bothered me, along with the stretch marks. And it wasn't like, you know how you get stretch marks and they're like light? No, these Johns was freaking like purple stretch marks. Let me look at them. Yeah, so that started making me insecure about my body as well. And guys really don't care about that stuff. Like, let me tell you, go up to any guy and start talking about the flaws in your body, and he's gonna look at you like you're dumb. He's gonna be like, yo, what are you talking about? You're beautiful. I love that. That means you're a real woman. You're not fake, and all that extra stuff. So, you know, I had to start accepting the fact that I was a bigger person than I used to be, and that, yes, I look like one of those girls that wear size large and buy size small clothing. But, you know, this is just what's happening. I'm just gonna have to start buying new clothes and stuff like that. So then I lost all that weight that I gained. I lost all 20 pounds in a month. You know, I was going through a bad phase. My grandma passed away, and I wasn't eating. I had no appetite at all. It's not crazy, like, because I love to eat. Like, I had no appetite. So now that I'm back at like 125, I now want that weight back. Like, I'm not going to be insecure because, you know, I did look good, you know. I did have the butt and the thighs. Like, I was a little slim, thick mommy. And I sound like I'm rambling, but I'm just saying all of that to say you don't have to change your body. You don't have to be one of these build-a-body girls to be confident in yourself. You don't have to look like every other female that's out there. I'm trying not to curse. So if I talk slow, it's because I'm trying to censor. Is that the word? I'm trying to censor what I'm saying because I curse a lot. I'm trying not to curse on this channel filming. So you don't have to look like every female. No man wants a girl that looks like every other freaking girl, because if that's the case, what is he really showing off? You be like, oh yeah, my girl looks just like your girl. No guy wants that. And you, as a woman, should not want to look like another woman. You should want to not look better than, but you should want to be different and be confident in yourself and know that you do look good. Yes, I'm beautiful. Yes, I'm this. Yes, I don't have hips. I don't have hips either. I don't have hips. I don't have these big boobs. I don't have this big fat ass. I don't have any of this stuff, but I'm still popping. I'm still beautiful. My body is banging. Accept it. If you thick and healthy, that's the thing. Thick and healthy. Don't be fat and you can't breathe and think that's cute. That's not okay. You gotta get your health together. If you're thick and healthy, accept, love, and flaunt your body. Wear your size clothing, though. Please. Because when I be trying to find clothes, y'all be buying out the stuff thinking, that's not for you, sweetheart. It's not. Your size is there. Get that. Sorry. But please, like, accept and love yourself, because there's always somebody that wants to look like you, you know? I get told a lot, and I used to get told a lot, like, a lot of older women, my aunts, people from my church, like, people everywhere be like, when I die, I want to come back in your body. Because, you know, they had the struggle of being thick. They had the struggles of, I guess, big boobs cause backaches and stuff like that. They had all those struggles, and I was just, you know, this little skinny thing with a nice little waist or whatever, and a nice size butt. So I learned that, like, you know, it's always going to be somebody that wants to look like you, and there's always going to be someone that you gonna look like and be like, damn, why can't I look like that? But just always remember that you're beautiful, you're popping, and be different. No one wants the same thing over and over and over again. No one wants to look at the same person, same body over and over and over again, just a different complexion. Please stop bleaching all your skin too, please. Okay, stop bleaching your skin. That's not cute. It's not okay. It's not where it's at. Just stop. Accept the skin that you're in, because y'all is bugging. Like, if I could be darker, I would be darker. Like, my father thinks I'm bleaching because I used to be darker than this, and it hurts my feeling because I think that, like, the most beautiful people are darker skinned people. That's just my opinion. I think I covered everything. Just be yourself, and always remember, who else but me? Like, who else can I be but myself? That's my new slogan. I'm gonna try to say it in every video. Who else but me? You feel me? Like, always accept yourself, always love yourself, and love others. Tell other people that they're beautiful, because that really helps. Like, I cannot tell you the amount of days that I've been down or felt ugly, and like a stranger would just come up to me and be like, hey, you're beautiful. That stuff really touches me, and I'm gonna try to do that to other people. But I'm a little antisocial. I'm an introvert, so I don't really like talking to people. But I'm gonna start like telling people that they're beautiful, because I know what it makes me feel like. So I'm gonna start doing that for other people, and I encourage you to do the same. Don't be a creep though. Don't creep about it. Just tell them that they're beautiful, and like, make someone stay. So peace, love, and blessings. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share. If you really my friend, I feel like you should share this video. What's that word? Recommend some people to look at my channel. You feel me? I'm trying to build this up. I'm trying to make the world a better place, and you know, I'm gonna promote more. I know I'm kind of inconsistent, but it's just because if I'm not making a video, I'm writing or I'm painting at this point. Let me show you guys a painting that I did last year when I was in a really bad place. Boom. This painting, I'll give you guys the story on that painting another time. Get this to like, I don't got that much subscribers, so I can't say a high number. Get this to like 10 likes. And I'll do a video on this painting and explain what happened.